Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our previous video, we have seen 4 examples on elimination method of solving pair of linear equations into variables. Now in this video also, let us see few more examples. So example number in continuation, example number 5 is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0, and equation 2 is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Now in equation 1, take minus 4 towards right side. In equation 2, bring 2y towards left side. So the equations will be 3x minus 5y is equal to, you shift minus 4 towards right, you will get plus 4. Call this equation number 1. Now 9x, bring 2y towards left, minus 2y is equal to 7, equation number 2. Now y has got same sign and at the same time different coefficients. So if the signs are same, if the signs are different, we have to add the equations, as we have seen in case of previous 4 examples. If the signs are same, then obviously we have to subtract one equation from the other, okay, to eliminate either x or y. Now before elimination, let us make y's coefficients equal by multiplying equation 1 by 2, this 2, and equation 2 by this 5. So 2 into 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, that is equation 1, is equal to 2 3s are 6x minus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 2 8s are 8. Call this equation number 3. Now multiply second equation, that is 2x minus 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 by 5. So 5 into 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 is equal to 9 5s are 45x minus 5 2s are 10y is equal to 5 7s are 35. Call this equation as equation number 4. Now as I said, the symbols of y are same. To eliminate them, one equation is to be subtracted from the other equation. So subtracting equation 4, that is fourth equation, from equation 3, we get, write equation 3 up, 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Write fourth equation down, 45x minus 10y is equal to 35. We are subtracting. Subtraction is nothing but changing the symbols of the terms of lower equation and adding. Okay, if the term has got plus sign, it is to be converted into minus. If the term is negative, it is to be converted into positive. So 45x has got right now plus sign, you convert it to minus. 10y has got minus sign, you change it to plus. 35 has got plus sign, again you change it to minus. Now plus 6x minus 45x is nothing but minus 39x, minus 10y plus 10y. 10y are same, one has got minus sign, one has got plus sign, so they will be cancelling. To eliminate them is equal to plus 8 minus 35 will be minus 27. Minus 39x is equal to minus 27. Therefore x is equal to minus 27 divided by, bring minus 39 towards down, and after simplification, if you divide the numbers by 3, you know you will be getting 9 upon 13, and minus minus will become plus. So hence the value of x is 9 upon 13. Let us substitute this value in equation 1 to get the value of y. So substituting x is equal to 9 upon 13 in equation 1. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 is equation 1. 3 into bracket value of x is 9 upon 13 minus 5y is equal to 4 as it is. Now 3 9s are 27 upon 39 minus 5y is equal to 4 minus 5y is equal to 4. Shift plus 27 upon 13 towards right, you will get minus 27 upon 13. So 13 4s are 52 minus 27 52 minus 27 upon 13, denominator will be 13. Now numerator after simplification 25 upon 13. So minus 5y is equal to 25 upon 13. Therefore y is equal to 25 upon 13 multiplied by minus 5. This minus 5 will, if you shift it to RHS, you will go to the denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Bring this minus beside this divided by line, so the value will be minus 5 upon 13. This is the value of y, and the value of x is 9 upon 13. So the solution set for these two equations is 9 upon 13 and minus 5 upon 13. So this is the solution for example number 5. Coming to one more example, this is example number 6. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. This is an illustrated example. It is solved in your textbook. Now 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Call this equation number 1. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Call this equation number 2. Now to make the coefficients of y same or equal, we have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, isn't it? So 3 9s are 27x minus 3 4s are 12y is equal to 3 into 2000 will be 6000, equation number 3. Now multiply equation 2 by 4. Okay, multiply 4 7s are 28x minus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 2s are 8000, 4 2000s are 8000. Call this as equation number 4. Now as 12y has got same sign, now we have to subtract one equation from other to eliminate 12y. So subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000 upon below write 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. We are subtracting. Okay, subtraction is nothing but changing the sign of the terms of lower equation and adding. So it will become minus, this minus will become plus, and here it is plus will become minus. So minus 12y plus 12y will be cancelling. Plus 27x minus 28x will be minus 1x, or that is minus x is equal to plus 600 plus 6000, sorry, minus 8000 will be minus 2000. Minus 1 minus, you eliminate that, so x is equal to 2000. So the value of x here is 2000. Substituting value of x, that is 2000, in equation 1 we will be going to get the value of y. So 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000, equation number 1. 9 into bracket, write in place of x 2000 because it is its value, minus 4y is equal to 2000. 9 2000s are 18000, minus 4y is equal to 2000. So minus 4y is equal to 2000. Take 18,000 towards right side, you will get minus 18,000. Plus 2000 minus 18,000 will be minus 16,000. So minus 4y is equal to minus 16,000. Therefore y is equal to minus 16,000 upon minus 4. Minus minus will become plus. 4 1s are 4. 4 thousands are 4 4s are 16. 3 zeros as they are. Therefore the value of y will be 4000. Hence the value of x is 2000 and the value of y in these equations is 4000. So this is the solution for example number 6. So dear students, let us solve one more example. Example number 7. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, equation 1. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3, equation number 2. Now here in all 6 numbers, the decimal point is 1 digit back. Now let us eliminate that decimal point, or in other words, shift decimal point 1 digit ahead, 1 digit forward. So if you shift this decimal point 1 digit forward, you will be getting 2x, here 3y, and this will be 13. In the same way, this will become 4x, this will become 5y, and 2.3 will become 23. So hence 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, equation number 1. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23, equation number 2. These two equations we got by eliminating the given decimal point. Now the coefficients of y are different here. Let us make them equal by multiplying equation 1 by 5u and by multiplying equation 1 by 3. So 5u 2s are 10x plus 5u 3s are 15y is equal to 5u 13s are 65u, or 13 5s are 65u. Call this equation number 3. Now multiply equation 2 by 3, that is the coefficient of y of equation 1. So 4 3s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 3 23s are, or 23 3s are 69. Call this equation number 4. Now 15y has got plus sign, same sign, so we have to subtract one equation from the other. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get 10x plus 15y is equal to 65u. Right below equation number 4, that is 12x plus 15y is equal to 69. We are subtracting. Subtraction is nothing but changing the symbols and adding. This plus will be converted to minus, plus will be converted to minus, and this plus will be changing to minus. Now plus 15y minus 15y will be cancelling. 10x minus 12x will be minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x is equal to 65u minus 69 will be minus 4. Minus 2x is equal to minus 4, then x is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2. Minus minus will give us plus. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, hence the value of x is 2. Now let us substitute this value of x, that is 2, in equation 1. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 is equation number 1. So 2 into bracket, in place of x write this 2 plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 2s are 4 plus 3y is equal to 13. So 3y is equal to 13. Shift plus 4 towards the right side, you will get minus 4, and 13 minus 4 is nothing but 9. So 3y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Hence the value of y is 3. Hence the solution set for these two given pair of linear equations in two variables is 2 and 3, or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So in this way, this is called elimination method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. We have seen about 7 examples. Now 3 examples I have written on the board as homework. I hope you will solve these examples. Example number 8 is x plus y is equal to 25u, equation 1. X minus y is equal to 5u, equation number 2. Example number 9 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 22, equation number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 23, equation number 2. And that of example number 10 is 5up minus 2q is equal to 4, equation 1. 4p minus 2q is equal to 2, equation 2. So 3 examples I have given you for homework. You solve them, and in our next video inshallah we will solve few of the verbal problems based on pair of linear equations in two variables, and here also we apply the same method, that is elimination.